From our Rotterdam headquarters, we've been delivering quality and dependable telecom solutions since 2010 with over 5,000 partners across Europe. We build lasting relationships based on trust and quality, delivering a high variety of products and top-notch customer support. Backed by years of industry experience, we offer one of Europe's widest selections of telecom accessories, from our own private label to top-tier and emerging brands. Every product is vetted to our standards to earn the trust of retailers across Europe. Our efficient B2B platform makes ordering simple with real-time updates and competitive pricing. With fast shipping across Europe, we guarantee same-day dispatch for timely deliveries. Built on experience, driven by choice, trusted in telecom. Euro Mobile Company.